Oh, I got your question here. We got a 95% confidence interval. The population proportion of adults who think the president of their country can control price of gas. Yes, he must estimate the accuracy into 1% of the true proportion. So what is the minimum sample size needed? So I guess page 324 in the book, they give you the formula. Let's see, what is it? They solve that earlier, the margin of error formula for n, I guess. So it's n equal p hat, q hat, the z-score over the margin of error, this quantity of that squared. And I guess the book says, you know, if p hat and q hat are unknown, to use 0.5. The z-score is given because we got 95% confidence interval, and the margin of error, you know, is 1%. So you know, E is 1% or 0.1. The z-score for 95% confidence interval, let's see, I believe that's on page like 199. They for 95% confidence interval, it's 1.96, and then we want to let p hat be 0.5 and q hat be 0.5 since they're unknown. And so let's see if I move this up some. And so I'll move it over to this way. And so let's see, so it would be n equals 0.5 times 0.5. I'll move that over a little more. Oops, if I can. Okay, maybe not. Times the z-score, 1.96 over the margin of error, 0.01 squared. Put that in the calculator, I see I come up with 9604 is the sample size you need. And let's see, then when we come back here to this other part, part B here, they tell you that, you know, P is 42%, which is 0.42. So for part B, you know, P hat is 0.42, and you can find Q hat. Q hat's just 1 minus P hat. So, you know, it would be, you know, if you take away 1 from that, it'd be 0.58. So you run the same numbers here, same formula, except with a different P hat, Q hat. Hope that helps.